It is raining. It is raining on Hell's Revenge. We're going for a little drive. Shawn's behind us in Wiley. We're in the Scramblator, scramblating some things. And we're going out for a little adventure. A little shop adventure. Figured I'd swing by and see how much trouble I'm going to get in this time. That exact maneuver, and as soon as you're up there, walk the front over. It'll pull it right up.
That is deep.
Sorry, Justin. Left you on. Check out this view. What do you think about that, Mike?
Dude, that was awesome.
That was legit.
I'm impressed. Look at this big old hole. Ooh, that is deep. Yeah, that was deeper than we thought.
My insides. It's gonna sit right here at my belt, my seat belt, and go right in my belly button. tires.
Man, we sure could use a new lift.
Yeah, luckily, Challenger lifts gonna get us a new one. All right, so we are swapping our driveline, which there's nothing wrong with the driveline. However, years ago, I dropped it on this big rock and there's a kink in it. And I've got a vibration, so we decided to order a new one and swap it in, so then we have a spare and we just have a freshie. And let me just say this is not a sponsored statement, but this is who we use for drive lines. Tom Woods drive shafts. Now, I've owned a shop in Moab for a while, and I worked at a shop in Moab for a while, and I'm just saying from experience, I have never had to fix a brand new Tom Woods drive shaft. There are lots of other companies that make drive shafts that I've had to fix brand new ones. So that's why we run Tom Woods. Well, we're gonna get that in and get the starter wire fixed, and then she can come off the lift and be ready to go. And look who we got hiding in the back.
I was hiding.
There's bleeping people everywhere.
How's that? Is that neutral?
Yep. So, what we're doing is getting this driveline loose after Mike super tightened the bolts.
And we're working on the tow truck.
And look who's filming. Look who's missing teeth. Now, are you missing all those teeth because they fell out or because you weren't listening?
Because I pulled them out.
She pulled them out herself. All right. Right there, I landed on the drive shaft and it kind of spiraled up on a rock. So we're just going to swap it out. Should be
So
good.
this one.
Yeah. Should be good to go. Right?
I mean, wait, yeah.
Perfect.
Was that hard, Dad?
Not super hard. Alrighty. So I've seen in the comments section a few people have asked about my traction bar. Mounts top and bottom of the axle there to keep the axle from twisting. Helps fight axle wrap with leaf springs, which you sometimes have. It runs up. I bent it and angled it in so that it follows next to the driveline and kind of works as a driveline skid plate, but then goes up here and mounts to a shackle on a reinforced cross member that goes up, and the point is exactly the same as the U-joint here. When your axle twists under a load, it always twists up. So you want it, when it twists up, you want it to be pulling on the shackle. So if that was flipped upside down, it would be pushing against it, and it could work, or it could flip over and destroy some things. I've seen some rigs do that. It's just easier so that it goes up like that. It's pulling against that shackle. That's my setup there. And this is all 3/8 wall tubing. This is extremely thick tubing. And then this is 3/16 plate for a gusset. Anyway, so we're headed to Castle Valley. Sean's operating the camera today.
Suck.
We're going up here. There's a car stuck in a ditch, slid off the icy road. This happens a lot during the spring because everybody wants to take the scenic route over to Gateway. However, you can't go up the mountain that's covered in snow to get to Gateway when the mountain you're driving towards is covered in snow. We're gonna go get these people, get them pulled out of the ditch, get back on the road, do what we do.
Yeah, what he said. It's official, we hit the snow. This road takes you to Gateway in the summer when it's not
I would
raining.
not recommend it right now. Yeah, when it's rain it either.
Yeah.
Because then there's a lot of mud.
Tracks are getting very thin up this way. Not as much. Maybe they're walking their dog. Oh, they got chairs. Yep, that's, I think. Oh yeah, they came off the road pretty good.
How are we doing? Gee, whoa. Go down.
It got way down and then it just, there's like a rock under the left tire too.
Okay.
So I think that was like
You
trying to
have-
take it out.
Can we get access to your spare tire?
Yeah.
These have a little.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Sorry, right here.
Sweet.
Perfect.
It's got one. So it just pops out that
Oh, I see.
plastic and you literally
Got
put
it.
that in there.
Gives you somewhere to.
Yeah, and it bolts right to your frame.
Got it.
So that'll give you a tow point. There should be one in the back too.
Okay.
One of those little pop out things. We're always excited when we find one of those. Like, yeah!
Right. Yeah, there's so much
I
handy.
screwed it up. I don't know.
So what happened? Were you just driving up the road and
Yeah, and well, we went a ways up and we just got stuck up there.
Oh,
got
okay.
unstuck and was backing down.
Yeah.
And then we got
Okay.
pretty close. Almost made it.
Dang
Thanks
it,
for
huh?
coming quickly, guys.
Yeah, for sure. We do
Spend most of our.
Oh, yeah, sorry, man. I did that too. You right?
Yeah. This is what we spend most of our spring doing. Because everybody goes, I'm just going to get it. No, you're not.
I just that was dumb. Totally dumb, man.
Don't step there. Clutch.
Oh yeah.
Clutch it.
Yeah. It's not happy.
Neutral. Brake off. Help out just a little.
There you go. Just like that, perfect.
This way just a little. Whoa. Hold right there.
Brake.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hold your brake.
Turn this way just a little. Right there.
Well, at least you got stuck in a beautiful spot, huh?
I know. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
And it's not cold neither.
I know. The
Perfect
sun's
weather.
feeling good.
Yeah.
Go ahead and back up. Okay, hold up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Now turn downhill. Perfect. We'll get spun around. All right.
Let's see if Roy does a fancy turnaround or not.
That clutch smells so bad.
Yeah. I was like,
And he's like, it was smoking a little bit. Yeah, I bet it was.
sure smelled clutch when we first pulled up. One time I seen a buck and I hiked all the way up there to find it and it was gone. It was a long hike.
Why would you hike up there?
Because I was like, oh, I thought I got it. And I didn't
Were you
get it.
young and ambitious?
Yeah. Yeah, I was like 2 years ago.
Back when you had hope.
I dump trucked my bicycle rolling backwards down that once. Got my back pocket hooked on the front of my seat and like just up and over backwards. It was awesome.
Yo, you want to do that, huh?
Get it!